Stories of Strength, brought to you by Dabur Amla.
So, जैसे आपको पता है कि obviously an actor की life he is full of ups and downs. It's always a roller coaster. Now, of course, after so many years, you have become a pro.
Absolutely.
But this is a social media generation. Everyone is conscious about क्या है, क्या लोग बोल रहे हैं, comments कैसे हैं. So, has there been any phase in your life, which is, I want you to tell us the Dabur Amla story, your story of strength, that where you've had to like go through any sort of, you know, a low phase, any phase that was traumatic for you, and how, as a woman, you went about it.
I mean, for me, I feel the lowest point of my life has to be when I lost my father. I don't think there's any grief bigger than losing a parent. And I'm very proud of the way we as a family came out of that loss, because we'd also seen him through a prolonged sickness. And उस point पे मेरे पास दो option थे, या तो मैं अपनी misery में जीऊँ, लेकिन as a family मैंने realize किया कि अभी I have to become the anchor of my family. You know, मुझे एक certain role मेरे family के लिए लेना पड़ेगा, जिसके लिए शायद I was also too young.
So how old were you?
I was 19 when I lost my dad, and it was like 2-3 years of like him being unwell. And I feel like I showed a lot of resilience then, and I'm very proud of it, because I easily could have my life could easily not have been what it is today.
Yeah.
है ना? तो कहीं ना कहीं पे वो उस टाइम पे मैंने काम का इतना ज़्यादा सहारा लिया, क्योंकि मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि काम ही एक चीज़ है जो मुझे 10 फोल्ड वापस देगा और कुछ नहीं देगा. एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई डिड. मैं लगी रही, ब्लाइंडर्स ऑन करके मैंने कहा बस करना, काम ही करना, और मैं एक्टर बन के ही रहूँगी. तो I think 4 days after losing my father, I was back in Yash Raj working. And this, I hope people draw inspiration from this.
Right.
You know, and because it really, my work really made me very secure.
Yeah. It was something that you could fall back on.
Absolutely.
And rather than, you know, being and thinking about what has happened.
Absolutely. Because मैंने realized किया that I have to pull my socks up. And बहुत ही protected life थी मेरी because of my parents, and अब नहीं है, which is fine. And you know, I wanted to be there for I wanted to be my mother's ally through this situation, because you know, when death hits a family, it's just not emotional loss. There's financial instability that hits you. There's just your entire ecosystem goes for a toss. You know, and my sister was even younger. She was like, you know, 15 then. So I was like, okay, I have to adult. So I adulted that year, and I'm very proud of myself. And I think what I'm even prouder of, that I've grown up not to be a bitter person. You know, I had my struggles, but I'm very proud of them, and I wear them as a badge, as opposed to anger.
Yeah.
And I feel a lot of that comes from my mother, because she always kept a very positive atmosphere, and she's like, if a certain situation has come towards you, ये आपकी तरफ इसलिए आई है क्योंकि आप इसके साथ डील कर सकते हैं, है ना? तो उसमें कैसे क्रम्बल नहीं होना, वो मैंने इन सालों में सीखा. एंड फॉर मी, उस वजह से आई थिंक मैं अपनी फिल्म फेलियर्स से भी बेटर डील कर सकती हूँ.
Yeah, of course.
एंड bad relationships also I can deal better with, because I went through that experience. But I feel उसके बाद कुछ इतना बड़ा मुझे लगा ही नहीं, कि मुझे लगा वो उससे निकल आई तो ये तो क्या ही है. But having said that, over the last 10 years, I feel Friday to Friday जो आपका
of course
change होता है,
that is only, I think, in our film industry. But I think now you're ready for that, because जैसे आपने कहा कि if you can overcome what you have with your father's death. But I think this story is really inspiring for our listeners, because you are someone that a lot of young girls also look up to. The fact that, you know, like you've told us, you came from, you know, a non-filmy family, you worked the way you have, you've gone through your father's death. So I think it's been one of our really interesting Dabur Amla story of strength. So please accept this hamper.
Thank you so
they want to
much.
give you this.
Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy.
It is heavy. There's a lot of goodies.